Good morning, Vital Records. How may I direct your call?
I was actually directed to you. What part of Vital Records are you in?
We're quality assurance.
Okay, well, let me tell you what my situation is so you can direct me to the right party. There is a copyright on the birth certificate, and I needed to speak to someone in order to get written permission to use the birth certificate and also to request the birth certificate in the first place. And it's illegal to request or use birth certificates without the written permission from the copyright holder on that birth certificate.
Okay, I am actually not familiar with that. So you're trying to request a birth certificate, but you need written permission to do so?
Yes. Do you have a pencil handy or a pen so you can write this down so you can better, so at some point you can reference this? The copyright on the birth certificate is held by a company called the Crown Corporation. Mm-hmm. And this is evidenced at its legislation website, and the name of this document is 1998 Crown Copyright in the Information Age. On page 29 and 31 of that PDF document, it's very specific to the birth certificate insofar as documents that it holds a copyright on. And so the purpose of this call is to get permission from an agent of that corporation to both request and also to specifically use the birth certificate to get a driver's license. Otherwise, without that permission, I would be involved in copyright infringement, and that's against the law.
Okay, I am not familiar with that.
And really the only individual that could affect this outcome would be an attorney, because they have special privileges to use legal documents such as the birth certificate.
Well, as far as us providing a written document, I don't think that's something that we do. I'm really unfamiliar with this whole concept. I mean, is there a letter or request that you can send to us, documenting this or asking your question? I'm really, uncertain as how to handle this.
Okay. So, well, let me explain it just a little bit more for you. I'm not an attorney. Are you an attorney by any chance?
No, I am not.
Okay, so we're both not attorneys, and what that means is we can't be involved with legal documents such as birth certificates. Mm-hmm. We're actually breaking the law when we're involved with those. So if I were to actually request a birth certificate, do a legal request, I'm involving myself in legal process without a B.A.R card, without legal authority to do so. So because I'm a very honest individual, I'm trying to be above board on everything I do. Anything within the legal continuum, I need to have permission in order to enter there because I'm not an attorney. So I'm not legally authorized to be involved with things that attorneys create. And the birth certificate is actually created by attorneys under their direction, it being a legal document. So I need some attorney within Vital Records, because whatever attorney is counseling Vital Records also is authorized to provide permission to people that are not B.A.R attorneys to use whatever the B.A.R attorneys create. So I'm going to have something in writing from them giving me express authority to use their stuff, which is the birth certificate.
Okay. Well, is it okay if I check on this with my supervisor to see what steps we need to take in order to help you with your request, and would it be possible for me to return your call?
Yeah, but I would appreciate, because I am at different phones at the moment, so it would be better if you could just send me an email with contact information, and I will be happy to get back with you.
Okay, and what is your email address?
Okay, it's legalnamefraud@gmail.com, and that's one word, legalnamefraud.
gmail.com, okay.
And what was your first calling?
Oh, my name?
Yeah.
My name is Laura.
Okay. Do you have a direct line, Laura, just in case we...
I will give you this number. This is it's area code 916
Uh-huh.
552 8116. So that's our quality assurance line.
8116.
That is correct.
And quality assurance, insofar as vital records is concerned, is that correct?
Right, quality assurance, yes. We're part of the vital records branch.
Okay. All righty. Well, I think I have given you a bunch of information now. There's also a website if you wanted to reference it and learn more about this. It's losethename.com. And it goes into the problems associated with the birth certificate, because we cannot even request them or even use them in any kind of way unless we have legal authority to do that. And unless we're bar attorneys, we don't have that legal authority. So the only way around this problem is to get written permission from one of the vital records attorneys to actually request and use the birth certificate, a legal document.
Okay, I will reference that when I discuss this with my supervisor, and I'll, we'll look into this for you.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Laura. Any other questions?
Okay. Oh, no, not at this time. If I have any other questions, I'll be sure to contact you at your email address.
Okay.
And, as soon as I find something out, we'll let you know.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Bye now.